Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to install 85-inch TV on the wall with the full motion wall mount. We will make this video step by step and see how I have done this TV successfully. Now let's start. Here on the wall I have a painter tape already because I will be painting on that area before I mount. Because I have other plans to make my wall like a media wall, but I have a put tape, so I will paint. But before paint, I want to make holes for my the mount. So after I paint it, so I no need to make lines on anything. With that TV mount, it also comes this template we will use to make a mark. And you can see there's an arrow. There's also arrow on the mount. That means this side is up. So we will put it like that and mark. I have already marked everything, but I will do a quick on the camera. Before I use my template, I need to find a stud. Really heavy TV and heavy mount. We have to have at least 2 studs. We have to hit at least 2 studs. So basically like this, we're gonna find 1 stud here, 1 over here. We have to put 1 screw here, 1 screw here, 1 over here, 1 over here. So 4 screws, all screws has to go in the stud. For me, it was really easy because I have a receptacle, single gang receptacle over here, and there was wire cap over here to pull the wire. So next to the wire there was a stud, so that's why I made a line here. But you can use any stud finder. I will hold this stud finder, put it here, turn on, there's no stud, it's like a calibration. I will go, keep going, keep going. So here, stud starts, I will mark, then I will keep going, I will find the other end. So basically here is the other end. I mark, so start from here to here. I have made a line in the center. Same thing I will do from here. I will keep going, keep going, keep going. Here, it says stud over here. I can keep going. So here actually behind, they put a PVC pipe here. That's why this stud finder looking for the PVC pipe. I have a marked over here. From here, we have a stud almost 2 inch. So we can, from here to here, we can measure 2 inch and I will keep in middle. So we will not trust on one time. I'm going to do multiple times. I will just keep going. So here, start from here to here. So actually I have made lines already. That's we're going to keep. And from here, I have a template. I will use this template like here, and I will make couple lines like here and here. Okay. So those long lines, now we can have our leveler put on the line and just make sure it's in level. Mount also have a little bit of play. We can go up and down and we will make a straight lines. Now since I have a line here, lines over here, so we need to find our cross points. So these are the center where we're gonna make some little small holes to put the drivers. Now let's make sink holes. If you don't make those holes and you try to put those big wood screws in without making hole, your stud can be split. We made 4 holes already, and I will paint all the area and we will mount after paint dry. Now we're ready to mount. Paint is dry already. It's been 24 hours since we have painted, and TV mount is also ready to go. I was able to find a stud and made 4 holes, so we are going to use 4 wood screws. I have a here, it's a 1/2 inch. I also have a 1/2 inch socket ready. I will use this drill driver first, then I will hand tight. We have to be very careful. We don't want to split the stud. So we are halfway done now, and I'm gonna do put leveler and hand tight. Mount is ready. I double checked, all the bolts are tight and ready to go. As you can see, I have a full extend, full motion. It tilt all the way. I will not move too much TV around. It's gonna be fixed, but I just bought it because I have a hard time to plug in wires on the back side. Sometimes I watch videos from the USB drive, or we have to connect some kind of other devices. I'll have a really hard time with the fixed one to put my hands behind. But now it's gonna be able to move wire around, or even I have to clean on the back side or something, gonna make my life a lot easier. Before we hang this TV on top of the mount, we have to install this or hanging bars. I have a 2 here. I have a different kind of bolts. We can use any size. They give it 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch. We can use accordingly, but I think I'm gonna use 1 inch bolts to mount my hanging bars. I'm just going to give a little demo how it will work. You can see that's the hanging bar. We will install here on the TV. There's 4 holes, 1 here and 1 over here and 2 other side. So we will keep this one in center like this, and we will install. Once this one got installed on the TV, suppose it's behind the TV, and we will hang TV like this. And back side, there's a little clip. It go up and it will lock TV. Never will come off. When we have to remove, we have to unlock from here, pick up and drop it. Now let me install, and we're gonna hang TV, then see how it look. Finally, we have mounted TV. As you can see, is not perfectly level. This mount comes like that. You can tilt either way. So now time to turn on and test TV. So here we go. We have a mounted 85-inch TV on the wall with the full motion TV mount. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.